In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Envato subscription using Payoneer. Let's walk through the entire checkout process step by step so you can subscribe smoothly using a Payoneer virtual card. Start by opening your browser and searching for Envato Elements. Click the official Envato Elements website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your existing account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it first, then sign in so your subscription is linked to your profile. Next, head to the pricing section. Here, you'll see the available plans. Take a moment to compare what's included and decide whether you want an individual or team plan and whether monthly or annual pricing makes the most sense for you. Annual plans often offer better value over time. When you're ready, click Start Now to move to checkout. On the checkout page, select your billing cycle if prompted. Double-check the currency and any taxes shown based on your location. This is a good time to confirm your plan choice before entering details. Now fill in your billing information carefully. Enter your full name as it appears on your payment method. Add a company name if you're purchasing for a business. If not, you can typically leave it blank or use your personal name. Choose your country, then provide your address line 1, your city, your state or province, and your zip or postal code. Make sure these details match the billing address linked to your payment card to minimize the chance of a decline. For the payment method, select credit card. Even though you're paying with Payoneer, your Payoneer virtual card works like a standard card at checkout. Open your Payoneer app or dashboard and locate your virtual card details. Enter the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code exactly as shown. If there's a name on the card, use that. Keep this information private and enter it only on the secure Envato checkout page. Before you finalize, review your order summary. Confirm the plan, billing cycle, and total amount, and note the renewal terms so you know when you'll be charged next. When everything looks correct, click Complete Order. You may be prompted to verify the payment through your bank or Payoneer security checks, such as a one-time passcode. Complete that verification if it appears. If a payment doesn't go through, check your Payoneer balance, ensure international online payments are enabled, and confirm your billing address matches. Once the payment is approved, you'll see a confirmation and receive an email receipt. You can now access Envato Elements and start downloading. Keep your invoice for records and manage your subscription anytime from your account settings.